Hi there! It's been a while since I last sat down in front of the camera, but here I am and let's make a new video today. So the thing I am doing today is going through my excessive makeup collection. It fits into this basket and it's not even full. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to make 3 piles. So the first pile will be the things that are in good condition because I recently bought them and I still use them, so those will be a keep pile. The other pile will be things I need to replace, and the third pile will be the things that need to go right now and we need to forget about those and never talk about them again. So that's why I will be making a list in my bullet journal. So I will be noting down all the things I would like to add to that collection. So I guess let's just get on with that. The first thing which I grabbed is a set of fake lashes. It's by Essence. It's been a while since I had them in my collection. I never wore them, but I believe that the glue has an expiry date on this powder, which looks quite sad, I guess. What I would like to get instead of this thingy, face palette? Is that how they called? Okay, the next thing we have is this matte powder by Rimmel, and this one I use every day and I just need a new one. So this one also goes to the replace pile, and I need to note that I need matte powder. I don't even know how to start explaining this. So this is a BB cream by Garnier, and the thing why it's cut open is because I was running out of it and I thought it will be easier to access it. So I cut it open, and I cut it open like half a year ago. It's disgusting. It needs to go to that pile which goes to the trash bin, and we will never speak of that again. Tell no one that I did that. Right, another thing is, ooh, it's dusty. Good job. So this is my face foundation, which is, I feel it's almost empty, but I had it for a really long time, and I'm afraid that if I try to use it, my face will get on fire. So I will just get rid of it and note down that I need a foundation. Everyone knows about this mascara. I do enjoy it because of the brush. I do like it that the brush is curved. So that's one of the main reasons why I like this mascara and keep replacing it. So I will keep that because I bought it not a while ago, I think a month ago, so it's still fine and I use it every day. Here I have my old mascara. So I'm throwing it away because yeah, it's just old. It's been over a year since I had it. It's the same brand, it's by Maybelline. It's also called Lash Sensational, but the difference is that this one is called Luscious and it's with oil blend and it's rich as black. But it's a pain to take it off. I'm such a noob at makeup that I had to keep the list of the brushes which I bought, just to remember what every brush is for. The next thing is my eye pencil. So this one is, well, it's quite old, but it still works quite well and it doesn't sting my eyes, so I think I can still use it for a while. I do like it because it's very soft, so I will be keeping that and I don't need to replace it at the moment. Here I have my eyeshadow palette. This is by Essence. This thing, it will go into my replacement pile because I think that I really need an eyeshadow palette. I have very specific colors which I would like to have in my palette, so I'm not sure if I will be able to find one palette with everything. I might need to buy some separate shades, but yeah. So I do enjoy the nude colors of this palette. In my new eyeshadow palette, I would like to have some matte nudes, that's for sure, and I would like to have a darker shade. Ooh, here I have a single eyeshadow by Essence, and ooh, it's been broken for a year or even more, but I do really love the color of this thing. It's just such a gorgeous copper color, and I really like how it looks on the eye. And it's metallic, and it was called Fox in the Box. I would like to replace that, and I would like to have a copper shade in my new eyeshadow palette, so copper shade. Here I have another single eyeshadow, and this one is also a metallic one. This is the other eye product, and it's by Avon, and the color is Forever Bronze. I do quite enjoy the color of it, so I think I need to add into my new palette. I need a dark metallic, I guess. Here I have my collection Lasting Perfection concealer, and YouTube made me buy it. The other concealer which I have is by Essence, and it's called Camouflage, and it says that it's full coverage concealer, but it's much lighter than collection one. So here I have eye pencil sharpener. I will keep it. Green shadow, so I will be replacing it. I think I just want some colors in my eyeshadow palette, and here I have an even older example of eyeshadows, and this is by Maybelline. Here I have a lip balm by Carmex. I really love it and I really enjoy it, and I already have a new one to replace this thing, so I'm throwing this one away. I will add to my list that I need some lip products. This one was one of those that are it just gets everywhere, and because it's such a bright color, it's not very easy to clean it off your face when it smudges. So yeah, and the other thing is I had it for years and years, and it just stings my lips a bit, so I think it's time to let it go. Here I have another, this is a lip gloss, and it's a darker orange one, and I really enjoy this one. It looks really nice, and it's almost empty. I will keep this one until I replace it. So yes, I have a darker orange and a bright orange on my list. So this is by Essence, and it's called Barely There. It's in a really lovely shade, so I will be keeping that. And I have a matching lip liner. It's by Avon, so it's a very similar shade. I think it's maybe a tone lighter than than the lipstick, but I do sometimes line my lips with it, and I will keep that. Here I have another lip product by Essence. So I do have quite a few things from Essence because it's a very affordable brand, and I do quite enjoy their quality. This is called Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. I will be keeping this one because, as I mentioned, I enjoy the color of this. And here we have a bright red, which I will be throwing away. The reason being that first thing, I don't really like this color on me. I think it's too bright and it doesn't really suit me. And the other thing is that this lipstick was a very cheap one to begin with, and I had it for years, and I don't think that it's very good to put it on your face. So that is it. I have a lot of wicker dust which I need to clear out. Alright, I think I've done my list. I have what I would like to get. I think the most challenging thing will be to find an eyeshadow palette with all the shades which I would like to have in that eyeshadow palette. I hope that it was some kind of enjoying to watch. And let me just show you those little piles of things which I am getting rid of. So this is the first pile, which goes into trash. This is the biggest pile. These are the things I will be replacing and throwing away when I'm done with them. This is the pile of things that I am keeping and still using at the moment. I had lots of fun of sorting these things out. So hopefully I will see you really soon, and just have a lovely day. Bye!